What's up, bro? Yeah, man. Hyde Park now. My brakes are kind of squeaking. Hyde Park. Okay, left then. Left that way. We're going left that way. So, yeah, I think so, yeah. I think this is the way. I thought it was pretty left. But the whole of the dunya. Enough people there. Loads of people there. It's just busy, busy, busy. Busy, busy, busy. Busy, busy, busy. Yep, riding through Hyde Park. You know what I mean? What is it then? Of course it's Hyde Park. Is London like this way, yeah? Take it what you say, my brother. Yeah, in the camera, bro. Yeah, man.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, mental.
Hyde Park. Chilling. There people in.
Brake squeaking, man.
Probably get my bob in there, man. Mash up Tesla and shit.
Yeah, no. Yeah, let's get that in.
Did you ever come to Thingy, man?